What's up people, Almadia is here to tell you some secrets of driving more traffic to your website. Gaining visibility on the web is not easy these days, but I will help you to promote your business quickly, easily and without spending a fortune. So fasten your belts and let's roll into your ultimate marketing guide right now. Link building involves getting backlinks to your website from popular and authoritative ones. They send referral traffic to your site and help establish your brand and help you rank higher in search engines. Let's see what the best practices for a successful link building strategy are. Let's begin with some tools you will need. SimilarWeb helps to find out which sources your competitors get traffic from. TripAdvisor or Yelp will show you useful, reliable site directories that work in your niche. Use tools like BuzzSumo to identify social influencers in your industry and write guest posts for them. And with Google Analytics tools, you should regularly check referral traffic to see how your backlinking strategy is working. To start getting backlinks, reach out to influencers and offer writing a guest post for them. Discuss where you can put backlinks for your site in advance. Also, try broken link building strategy. Find broken links on relevant pages and offer webmasters to replace the content with yours. Add your link. Check the influencer's authority and make sure you only get strong backlinks. Here, such tools as PageRank for Chrome will help. To obtain powerful links from strong domain websites like .edu and .gov, offer them high quality and relevant content. Thanks for checking this video out. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. And thumbs up go without saying. Check out the description for all the mentioned links, related free ebooks and the links to our blog, where you can read a full guide. See you later!